Hello everyone, here is KINGREAL machinery. Let me introduce to you the open cell sealing roll forming machine. There will have the coil to upload the material like GI aluminum. This machine can produce both these for different finish. Here is a precision leveler to ensure your product have a good quality. You should have a precision leveler. Make the material have a good surface. Then it's the punching press and the shearing machine. This one is the setting part. Can be produced the main grid and cross grid by changing mode. Here we can see the machine is punching the cross grid. If you need to produce the main grid, you can change the mode like this to here. Then you can change the position. And here is the servo feeder to ensure the punching and shearing will be precise for the length you set. And then it's shearing. Here is one shearing solution. And then it's the conveyor belt to ensure the product go to the roll forming machine. And then it's a roll forming machine. There will be a 14 size roller to forming the open cell. One machine can only change the length but not the width. The width is one common like 10 mm and 15 mm. And the production speed for this machine will be 15 meters per minute.